Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Easy to Learn. My name is Divya and today's interesting topic is action potential. Before starting this topic, you should know about resting membrane potential. Press I button and get the link there. Action potential is the electrical potential difference across the cell membrane when it is stimulated. In shortly, you can understand here. Here is the cell which is in resting condition, means negativity inside the cell and positivity outside the cell. When it is stimulated, then the potential of the membrane is depolarized and change into negativity inside and positivity outside to positivity inside and negativity outside the cell. That means action potential is generated. Two phases occur under this condition. First is the depolarization and second is the repolarization. I'll tell you action potential in case of muscle in which resting membrane potential is minus 90 millivolt. Here you can understand in this graph that firstly depolarization start initially very slow, up to 15 millivolt, but as it reach up to 15 millivolt, that means minus 90 plus 15 millivolt is equal to minus 75 millivolt. It increased suddenly, and that level in which the depolarization increases suddenly, this level is known as firing level, and then it shoots up. Now initially repolarization start very rapidly unlike depolarization, but after that it become very slow. Clear? Now, as I told you, action potential is electrical potential difference across the cell membrane when it is stimulated. It occurs in two phases. First is the depolarization. It is the initial phase in which the negativity outside the cell and positivity inside the cell. That means polarized state, that is the condition of muscle at resting condition, is abolished, resulting in the depolarization. That means positivity inside and negativity outside the cell. Unlike resting membrane potential, that means negativity inside the cell and positivity outside the cell. Now, second topic is repolarization. It is that phase of action potential in which the muscle reverts back to polarized state. That means resting condition. That means inside negativity and outside positivity of the cell. So the polarized state of the muscle is re-established. Next topic is action potential curve. So what is action potential curve? Simple. It is graphical registration of electrical activity of action potential, that means electrical activity of the muscle after stimulation. In this, three phases occur. First is the latent period. Simply, the latent period is the interval between the point of stimulation to the point of contraction, but there is a fact. In this period, there is no changes occur in electrical potential after applying the stimulus. Duration of this period is very short. That means 0.5 to 1 millisecond. Here you can see that this is the latent period. Next is the depolarization. It starts after the completion of latent period. As I told you, initially it is very slow, in which the muscle is depolarized for about 15 millivolt, means up to minus 75 millivolt. Here you can see slow depolarization at this level. And the rate of depolarization increased suddenly at that level, that means minus 75 millivolt, called the firing level. Here you can see this level is known as firing level, in which the depolarization increases suddenly, and from firing level the curve reaches isoelectric potential rapidly, that means zero potential, and then shoots up beyond the zero potential up to plus 55 millivolt, and that is known as overshoot. Here you can see this, as it reach zero potential, that means isoelectric potential, it is then overshoot up to plus 55 millivolt. Now next and last topic is repolarization. It start after the completion of depolarization, and as I told you, initially it is very rapidly, unlike depolarization, and then it become very slow. Here you can see this. Initially repolarization occurs very rapidly, and then it become very slow. Under repolarization, three topics occur. First is the spike potential, that means rapid rise in depolarization and rapid fall in repolarization. Here you can see this rapid rise and rapid fall in repolarization is the spike potential. And next is the after depolarization, or the negative after potential. That is, the rapid fall in repolarization is followed by slow repolarization. Here you can see this rapid fall in repolarization is followed by slow repolarization, that is the after depolarization. Next and last topic under repolarization is after hyperpolarization, or the positive after potential. That is, after slow repolarization, as it reaching the resting level, that means minus 90 millivolt, it become more negative beyond the resting level. Here you can see this. After slow repolarization, it become more negative beyond minus 90 millivolt, that is after hyperpolarization, or the positive after potential. That's it. Now development of action potential. So here you can see this, what are the factors are involved in the development of action potential. For the development, voltage gated sodium and potassium pump are involved. During this, the voltage gated sodium channel are open. You know that in case of depolarization, firstly it occur very slow and then it become very rapidly. So here initially it is very slow, but as it reaches 7 to 10 millivolt, then the sodium ion channel opening is faster rate. This is called the sodium channel activation, and as soon as it reaches to the firing level, that means minus 75 millivolt, the influx of sodium ion is increased and it lead to overshoot. But there is one fact, that sodium ion channel is very short lived due to rapid inactivation of this, means sodium channel. But at the same time, the potassium ion channel start opening, then influx of potassium ion out of the cell causing repolarization. But one fact is also that the potassium ion channel is remain open for a longer time, for few milliseconds, unlike sodium channel. And after completion of repolarization, it causes efflux of potassium ion from inside to outside the cell and causes hyperpolarization. That's it. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, so please like, comment and share and subscribe this channel. Easy to learn. Thank you.